Hello there. If you're wondering what is the main purpose of life insurance, you came to the right place. Let me tell you right now. The main purpose of life insurance is to replace a person's income in the event the person prematurely dies for any reason. So even when the person is no longer able to provide his income to his family, the insurance company will replace the income so the family may continue to pay for their debts like mortgage payments and any car payments, continue to live and pay for expenses of daily living like utilities, continue to feed the family and provide for the children's care needs, and of course, ensure that the family can provide for any future financial needs like children's education. Similar to your reason for buying an insurance on your cell phone, for buying an auto insurance, and nowadays we also buy insurance for almost everything, our gadgets, TVs, and other appliances. All these are meant to avoid unnecessary emergency expenses on repairs or losses. Although all these material things we insure are replaceable, our life cannot be replaced when we die. And when we die, we can no longer provide for our family and for anyone who depend on our income unless we have a life insurance in place. Insurance companies takes on our risk and ensures that our family will continue to be provided even when we can no longer do it. Most people think insurance is expensive. Wrong. Insurance companies spreads our risk within the community. I will explain this topic in detail on another video. But by doing that, it enables the insurance company to offer us a very small fraction of each dollar of risk that they cover for us. For example, you can buy one policy for as low as $20 today and have $1 million available to your family when they need it, starting tomorrow. And that's not only a huge deal, but also peace of mind that you'll have for as long as you have the life insurance policy in place. Let me give you scenarios when your insurance policy provides the benefits to you and your family. Have you seen families and friends doing a GoFundMe? Have you seen people doing car washes on the streets to raise funds? Have you seen people begging on the street? And have you seen those money jars by your favorite grocery cashiers asking for donation? Have you wondered why people need to resort to these ways just to raise funds, enough money to enable them to bury a loved one? You guessed it right. They were not prepared. Do you know that life insurance policy will not only cover all the final expenses of a deceased loved one, but will also replace the deceased person's income? Yes, that's the benefit of having a life insurance in place. Nobody knows when we are going to leave this earth, but when the time comes, we don't want to put our family in the situation where they need to do a GoFundMe, do car washes, beg relatives and other people. Having a life insurance policy in place removes your family in that equation. What happens to a person who is diagnosed with a debilitating illness? When we are diagnosed with a terminal illness, our world stops. We stop working to focus on healing and treatments. In short, our income stops, but bills doesn't. The new life insurance policies now allows the policyholders to get access to the death benefit when they are diagnosed with a qualifying critical, chronic, and/or terminal illness. So the policyholder and the family can focus on healing and not stress out on bills and their daily expenses. People do not have to die to get the death benefit in most cases. For example, a policy owner of a $1 million life insurance policy who is diagnosed to be terminally ill may take up to 90%, that is $900,000, depending on the insurance company, from its $1 million death benefit. The policyholder may use the amount for any purpose, either to pay his bills, cover his medical and other expenses, or to cover for family's needs, or even use it to go on vacation, believe it or not. Now that you know how life insurance can protect you and your family financially, I invite you to check out my other videos as I talk more on other topics about life insurance that you may also be interested in. If you learned one thing on this video, please click like, subscribe, and comment below, or visit my website to ask a question privately. Thank you.